So today I received the containers I ordered. They're all glass and there's 8 of them. This is the way they were packaged and it worked. They did not get damaged in shipping. I'm going to go ahead and open each one and just show you what they look like and how well that seal is. So as I'm unpacking each one, they even have a film covering them on top. That way those don't get scratched. Check that out. So I took the packaging off of each one. That way I could show you them up close. We do have 8 containers with 8 lids. Each top has the seal. That way it could lock securely, tightly, where it's going to keep your stuff fresh. A lock to each side. Check this out. Pretty tight on there. So we got these for leftovers and for food prepping for the week. My son needed different sizes of containers. Perfect. They do have different assortments, different sizes, and different colors if this doesn't interest you in this set here. They are dishwasher safe, oven safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, and they are BPA free, and they are stackable. So this is everything I was expecting, and I'm happy I got them. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a good day.